Hello and welcome. My name is Tyree Corrin and this will just be a quick video of my fourth year project, which is reimagining the student services in IADT. A quick background and introduction to the project. So why are we doing this project? This project is being done because the current student services offered by IADT doesn't meet the needs of the students in the college. So who is developing this? I'm going to talk from my perspective as the developer of this project. We were given funding from the End Tutor group, which gave the college money to basically fund this project from an idea to a real world application. So what will be developed? What are we making here? It is going to be a microservice, which is just an app just solely for the purpose of giving students information about the student services. This video will do a very basic overview of the project, the problems on the current IADT website, and how it was fixed in the new application. Okay, so I'm on the current IADT website and I'm going to act as a student who needs to find information about illnesses. I'm going to use the search box located on the home page and just search the word illness. Through the search results we can see there is a link to a page where we can see who to contact if we do have an illness. But through working with the data, I know there is a service that offers support to students who have illnesses. That support is called the Health Center IADT. I'm going to search the word health but spell it wrong and see what results come up. As you can see, it doesn't actually pick up or know that we're searching for health, but when we do spell it right, it does come up. The Health Center page itself is okay. There is a lot of data and it can be hard for students to find what they need. This is consistent throughout all the pages on IADT currently regarding student services. There's a lot of good data, but it's hard for students to find what they're looking for. We're going to switch over to the application being developed and see how we can fix these problems. So now we're on the application that's been developed to solve the problems on the IADT website. On the homepage we're met with a simple interface which is optimal for helping students find information quick and easily. I'm going to start with the chatbot, which gives information about the services offered in IADT. So it knows how much a doctor visit is, if I need a new laptop, it gives me the service that can help me, and in the response I can click on the link that brings me straight to that page. This page is different to the one on IADT. There's a lot less text and it's straight to the point, as you can see here. On the left we have information if we need to get in contact with that service. Similarly to the IADT platform, I'm going to search the same things and see what results we get. I'm going to search for illness, and when I search for illness, it knows that the student health service offered by IADT can help students with illnesses. I'm also going to search health but spell it wrong and see what comes up. And not only does it know that we're searching for health and it gives us the services in relation to health for students, but also the articles down here which students can read and learn more about health. This application had a major emphasis on accessibility, so students can also come in and change the colors all throughout the app, so it's to their preference. There's also simple pages. If students don't want to search or use the chatbot, they can just browse the different supports and articles on offer. The data in this application is coming from a content management system, or a CMS. So all the content that you see in the website is coming from a CMS. The CMS that we're using is called Strappy. So ideally, people in student services who look after all the content in the website will log into this CMS and start adding content. As you can see here, there's an article for LinkedIn. That's the one we're going to use for the example. It's as easy as clicking unpublish, and we can see when we refresh the page, it's gone from the home page. And when we publish again and refresh, it's back in. The same goes if you want to add new content. It's as easy as coming in and basically just filling out this form, and it will be in the application and also ready to be searched in the application for students. This video has been a very basic overview of how the application works and will work for students. If you're on my on-show page and want to know more information, please scroll to the bottom for a more in-depth explanation on how the application works. Otherwise, there will be a link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.